Okay guys, this week we're going to review diphthongs, and I told you about these earlier, but I want to go over them again because it's been a while since we've talked about them. So if you look at your page, we have 3 different examples of diphthongs. The first is OW, and OW can say O as in snow and O as in blow. So OW can say O, just like the long O sound, okay? And we would write that like in snow, S-N-O-W. Another sound that OW can make is ow, like in cow. Ow, like in cow. So let's write cow, C-O-W. So OW can say O, as in snow. It can also say ow, as in cow. OU says ow, ow, as in house. Okay? So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write snow, cow, and house. And in the last column, I'd like you to draw a picture of snow. Let's see. And then a picture of a cow and a picture of a house. Okay, again, those are diphthongs. We have OW that says O, OW that says ow, and OU that says house.